Now, when you first picked up your camera, one of the things that we are going to need is some extra batteries, especially if you're out shooting. But when we're on the verge of buying batteries for our camera, we oftentimes tend to look for the third-party batteries because they are a lot cheaper. As you can see, I have a lot of batteries right here, which I have for my camera, which I've got quite different brands. Now, since recently, after I start use these third-party batteries, after I upgrade my camera, it started giving me an error. It says operation or safety of this battery cannot be guaranteed, continue use or cancel, which sometimes really annoying. I think it's mainly because of the firmware update, so it's detecting that this is a third-party batteries and it's not compatible with Sony camera. Now recently I have gotten this battery right here from LLANO. Now this battery pack comes with 2 batteries and a battery charger, which I'm going to show you guys the unboxing. I have a user manual which you can actually go through. Also we have 2 batteries. Now this specifically for the Sony, which is the NP-FZ100 batteries, and this right here have a capacity of 2400 milliamp rated battery right here. So we have a USB to USB-C cable. Now this battery charger right here, we have 2 inputs of ways we can charge this. So we have micro in and USB-C in. Now the USB in is a 20 watt charging, so you can know that we can charge up this battery right here in a good amount of time. And also we have an indication on this as well, which is showing a green light, which indicate that we are taking advantage of the 20 watt charging, which is the fast charging of this battery right here. Now we can see the percentage of the battery as well by these strokes. We have 4 strokes, each stroke represents 25%. And this right here gonna work well in your camera. But what we know that though is that they have all these right here for different brand. Whether you own a Nikon, Fuji, Canon, Sony, they have a different type of model for these brand right here, which is a great that we can take advantage of these battery pack. Now this battery right here is the newest release of their model, which actually compatible with my Sony camera. Now since I got this battery right here, it removed all those errors. This battery works compatible with my Sony camera. I'm not sure what they have developed in these battery make it compatible with Sony, but it actually works. So there's no more error message when I'm using this right here inside my camera, and I can actually see my battery percent whenever I'm out shooting, which is sometimes very important when I know that my battery is going to die. And as I always said, that LLANO is a great company when it comes to these accessories, in creating batteries, battery pack, and all those things. They have known for this, so you don't have to worry about using this battery in your camera because it will work perfectly well. And I'm going to put a link in the description if you guys are interested in picking up one of these. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And as always, see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.